Hello friends and strangers, I am the Rat King, and today I'm talking to you guys about some armor that I made.
This is a terrible idea.
This is some like post-apocalyptic armor and stuff, you know. Got a tire here from a Harley there. This is actually the sidewall of a tire there. Big steel plates and stuff like that. Got a pouch for snacks down there. Yeah, I want to go to like Wasteland Weekend down in California. It's kind of like it's like a big post-apocalyptic like convention sort of. They make like a big city, looks like Mad Max and all that sort of stuff. Just looks like a lot of fun, and I would obviously ride one of my bikes down there. Probably my Blast, because it's got the horns and all that fun stuff. But anyways, I have some other armor as well besides this chest plate, so I'll show you guys some of that too. Got some armor on my left arm here. You know, I got a big blade on my hand for punching things. You know, lots of steel plates and stuff. If you look on my shoulder armor, I got a bunch of these ribbed belts. Those are actually drive belts for motorcycles, like Buells and Harleys and stuff. Yeah. Obviously, I don't wear this armor while I'm riding around on the street, because, frankly, that'd be pretty dangerous. I mean, I made it. I want to be, you know, comfortable. So obviously, there's no sharp bits of metal sticking into my skin anywhere. But if I like fell down and hit the ground, I don't want to accidentally like hit myself in the face with my hand or something, you know, with the big blade on there. So there's the pieces of armor. It's actually 3 pieces because that arm guard there, it's separate. This one I went with kind of like a sort of a Roman theme for the top here with the overlapping plates. Lots of fur everywhere because it's cold where I live. Well, it gets cold, you know. Cutting the tire for this was like pretty difficult. I used an angle grinder, so it made a ton of smoke, and oh my goodness, it smelled terrible. Yeah, it took forever, you know. So if you guys know the proper tool to cut tires with, let me know. It's like a rat bike, you know, like it's never really done. Like you just keep working on it and it keeps improving, but yeah. In any case, I'll see you guys next week. Until then, ride safe, but not too safe.